What's up, guys? Good morning. Different scenery today. I'm actually at my office, and today we're going to be talking about two stocks that I'm very, very bullish on. I'm going to be showing you some charts and why I'm bullish on these two stocks. I'm also going to show you some news on these two stocks and why I'm very excited for our future with these two companies. Before I get started though, don't forget to smash that like button. I truly appreciate that. Think about subscribing if you're brand new to the channel. I make mullen content every single day, but I'm going to start implementing a couple different stocks to help you guys look into good companies that you could invest in potentially and you could potentially hold longer term. Now, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion, telling you exactly what I'm doing. You have to do your own research and do what's best for you and your family. Don't forget to grab your coffee. I actually ended up picking up Starbucks today. I already regret it because it's a waste of money, but here's mine. First stock I want to talk about with you guys is a company called pltr. Okay, now I'm not going to go deep into why I like pltr right now. I will be making another video on pltr in the future, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see that video and why I'm very bullish on them over these next 5 to 10 years. This is a hold for me, for a lifetime hold potentially, because of just what the company does. But a couple stats about them is they have no debt. Right, that's a huge factor on a company, especially a growth company, is they have zero debt. They have a bunch of cash on hand. I think over like $2 billion with cash on hand. It is more of a technology company, which I'm very bullish on with our future, obviously with tech. But pltr today, I've been covering this stock with the Patreon group for a couple months now. I've been giving them information on why I like this company so much, and we've been trading it also over the last couple months. We're in the green. We made a lot of profit with this stock, but this morning I said, hey, pltr is a great buying opportunity right now, sitting at $7.44. So I let the Patreon know this morning, and now today we're over $8. All right, so that's an increase of 9% on today alone. So maybe hopefully some people took that trade, but regardless of the day trading stuff, I do believe in this company in the long term, and we are green on it. So if you want to know more about different stocks that I'm picking and why I'm picking these stocks and more on the charts and everything, check out the links down below. It's $7 a month to join the team. I think there's one spot left for $6 a month. I think someone just bailed, so check that out. The charts for pltr are looking amazing right now. There are a little bit of concerns, but again, for my long-term holders, this is a great time to be dollar cost averaging into pltr. It is a very solid company, but right now the RSI, you can see, is pointed up here. The stochastic has crossed over blue to red, looking like an uptrend right now. Now, it really depends what the market does overall. We know banks are crashing. There's a lot of negative news right now. We have interest rates that are coming up. That meeting, we'll see what the Fed decides to do. But right now, you want to find companies that are good companies that you could put your money into that are going to be here in the next 5 years. And I do believe pltr is one of those companies. Now, if we do see more downside, my next price target for pltr is right at the 786 right here, just under $7, about $6.90. But to the upside, I do see us potentially going back up to $9.28. And eventually we do have some open gaps that are above $10 and even above $12. So again, I'm holding, I'm not selling pltr. If anything, if we do come lower, I would start buying more of this stock. Now it's time to start talking about mullenstock. That's why we're all here, right? We want to know exactly where mullen is going next. Now, I made a video yesterday talking about we could see more downside movements. And what happened this morning? We moved down even further. Right now, we're hanging around just above 16 cents. I'll show you the charts in a minute. But again, I'm thinking we're going to turn around here soon. We just need some positive news, and we got to stop the dilution. So let's look at the charts. So looking at this, we can see that the RSI is still pointing down. The stochastic is still pointing down, but it looks like we might get across here soon from blue to red. And you can see we're way low, right? We're low on the RSI, we're low on the stochastic. When we start to move up, that's when we start to run. Look at what's happened in the past. When the stochastic starts to move up, we start to run. When the RSI starts to move up, we start to run. Right now, none of that is happening. So I did not buy any shares today. I do think we could potentially come lower. So I have my price targets. Again, if you're part of the team, you know exactly when I'm buying back in. Check out the links down below. But right now, this is a good time to start dollar cost averaging into a company if you believe in it. You have to decide that at the end of the day. You have to do your own research, figure out if you believe in mullen, if you think they're going to be here in the long run. What are your thoughts on their class 1 vehicles, on the 5, on them as a whole company? Do you think this will be a successful company? do your own DD, then decide what's best for you. But right now, I'm holding my stock. I haven't added more. I plan to add more if we do come down to exactly where I think we might come down. But if not, I'm good. I have a lot of shares that I'll just ride up to our next zone, which would be, in my opinion, I said it yesterday, about 29 cents is what I'm looking for. Let me actually look real quick on the charts. So we are looking at the first target would be about 22 cents, right? If we take a fib retracement line, which I'm not showing you here, but I'm actually doing on my laptop right now, we bring it down to the bottom. If this was our bottom, okay, being 15, actually we touched above 15 cents today. The next line we would go to is about 21, 22 cents. If we break that, then we're gonna go to 26 cents. And then if we break that, we're gonna go to 29 cents. And then ultimately, I would love us to close above this descending trend line right here, which is about 36 cents. And there's also an open gap at 36.5 cents. So that's really what we're looking for mullen. Again, I'm not too concerned. I don't think mullen's gonna go get delisted or anything like that. I think right now, there's just a lot of fear in the market. Shorts are taking advantage and dilution is happening. Guys, on days like today, you really wanna just walk away from the charts. You wanna think about, where are these companies? Let's take Palantir and Mullen. Where are these companies gonna be 12 months from now? Where are these companies gonna be 5 years from now? And if I believe that they will be here, then it is a great buying opportunity for me, right? Again, you gotta do your own research, do what's best for you, but I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Let's have a solid week, and we'll see you on the next one.